Hi everyone, I'm John from the Shining 3D Dental team. Today I'm excited to introduce the newest member of our iOS family, the Aoralscan Elf. Clinical precision packaged into a feather-light, smart and fast device. That's what elves bring to your practice. The Elf weighs just 106 grams, almost like holding a pen. It's comfortable for long scan and easy to handle. Setup is simple. A single Type-C cable provides plug-and-play connection. No bulk adapters, no tangled wires, just plug in and go. We take considered approach to every case. The Elf comes with 3 scan tips. Big tip for a dentals and implant case, standard tip for adult use, and a mini tip for pediatric patients. Elf's smart software includes IntelliBite, a game changer for bite registration. Analyze and optimize the bite, giving a precise map of the patient occlusion, almost identical to articulating paper. One click gives accurate registration, reduce clinic and lab adjustment, minimize rework, and boost workflow efficiency. With the Intelligent Plaque Management Suite, Elf performs full-mouth plaque scans, calculates coverage, and generates clear cloud reports. Monitor patient progress, provide personalized hygiene guidance, and motivate patients with visual results. The Aoralscan Elf puts precision, speed, and intelligence in the palm of your hand. Lightweight, smart, and accurate, it makes scanning effortless. With intelligent bite and plaque management, work faster, achieve superior results, and transform your patient's smile. Let's step into the future of intraoral scanning.